Welcome back, guys, to Crypto Fallout channel. Just a quick updates for ASTER USDT trading pair with my customer Kirser. Around here, people laughing, so we will never drop under $2 or even the $1. So we just skyrocket to the moon because here we built some like impulse triangle, and we should skyrocket to the moon, to the $5, to $10, and all of these random numbers. But guys, highly recommend you work after listing for any single token, just with simple model, initiation accumulation pump model. This model relevant and will be relevant for, I guess, for the next few years, because the model, what venture funds use in the last 3 years, absolutely the same. So we just can use this model like a cheat code for all of this new listing, and we just need one single daily candle close. That's it. So the zone of interest, guys, here, first one, support can be 64.60. And yes, it's possible to see these levels of this weekend because of Japan bank probably will increase the rate. It's going to be the highest rate since 95. We will see. We will see how it goes on the crypto. I hope all this rate already priced in on a BTC, and I hope the alts will stop at zero level, first level. The main zone of interest, of course, for ASTER is 37.30 and 30 cents 86. Maybe not now, it's not necessary, so every single token after listing will drop to that zone of interest immediately or after the half year. So just a matter of time when we'll come back to that zones. Maybe the most positive case, if we just hold the line here and start to build that channel. So we can't know at current moment where exactly that channel starts. That's why if we just use hypothetical lines and the supports like this one, technically, we can one touch, second touch, 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. So basically no makes sense to drop low again to invalidate the idea. Definitely. I don't think so. We're going to drop under 10 cents. All right, makes sense. That's why more than real to see around equilibrium, zero level or 51. After that, consolidation and forming something like this one in January and out of channel. If this channel is correct. The problem, guys, with the channels, and I post the video about it. So all of this channel is just hypothetical one. So we can't know. Maybe this channel is wider, right? Maybe on different angle. So it's also possible. Maybe the channel is like this one. We can't know. Maybe, yes, it's something like this one. So we already touch it here, here, here. Now we traded equilibrium. Anyway, we can test 61. But in this case, yes, even 0.5 can be at December 28. So something like this one, touch the channel, reversal, equilibrium, and go higher to the new all-time high. Technically, I believe in new all-time high for ASTER, but the channels, guys, only after the fact we will see which one is correct. Now it's hard to say. That's why I recommended to use the initiation accumulation pump model and work with the levels. So the most negative scenario, of course, it's invalidation of idea, 10 cents. I don't think so. We'll see these targets. Even if BTC will drop to, I don't know, to 60K. No. So 21.68, 17.64, it's a last zone of interest. The first one is 37.30, 30.86, this one. And I hope we will see the most positive scenario, 64.60 and 51.71. So this is the targets, what I'm looking for ASTER. I'm not a fan of ASTER. I don't have any idea to buy this token on the spot. So I just share with you the idea, if you wanna accumulate this token for a long run. My portfolio for the spot already formed at the last 4 months. Basically, I repeat the same information. I'm done with the spot position, and now I use my stablecoin just for futures. And this was main mistake for this cycle. It's buy for the spot and hold. So the holding and DCA, it's not a solution and never been the solution. So weaker time frame, no data for ADZ indicator and direction technically on ADZ on a daily. Now we're in accumulation. The worst case, of course, if we drop to 37 cents and the form a divergency. This is going to be the one more confirmation to buy more, ASTER. I not recommended to start use DCA now, because based on this model, we need to start use DCA only when we land to the first zone of interest. Because, for example, you start use DCA now 69, so let's say 70 cents, one order, buy the dip, another one, buy the dip, another one, buy the dip, another one. Your average entry will be around 40 cents. So no makes sense to accumulate now. Of course, if you get a plan up to your own strategy, accumulate ASTER now, you can do this one. Highly recommend you, by the way, go and check. I post today the tutorial how to work and how to trade on ASTER. Pretty smooth platform. I tested today on Arbitrum chain and it's pretty good one. Works pretty good one. Maybe I will start trading more often on the DEXs, not on the centralized exchanges. Direction, nothing. No accumulation yet, nothing. No distribution of accumulation. Market smooth. Finally we land like 4 days in a row. We're in the capitulation zone. All this period, guys. If you use my custom set, you could track it. So here it was an aphasia. After that bounce, positive, some hopium, and only now in capitulation zone. But weekly still aphasia. I guess some people still not sell their bags of tokens, airdrop, money power, 12 time frame. Yes. Oh, here daily. Only now, guys. Only now we see some money inflow on the daily time frame in ASTER network on the daily. On the weekly, still no data. So technically, it can be the bottom, but at 64.60, 51.71. After that, maybe it makes sense to try open trade. For example, if we drop to 51 after a 100% move, guys, never mistake to withdraw initial deposit. So be ready for that trade. Trade on, no data on daily time frame, 12 time frame, sell all this in period buyback. What is good here finally? So the sell signal we saw in September 28, only now, December 15, we saw the signal take profit from that sell. By the way, today I post, so take profit signal on FTM, it's a Sonic S ticker. I added that alert in August. So take profit from the sell. So similar notification, but on the weekly time frame, on a higher time frame. Imagine we could just track FTM Sonic token. Don't touch this token since August, and only now it's that take profit from the short position. That's the beauty of alerts and this indicator set. So only in December, maybe we now can start accumulate a Sonic. Take profit signal also for a cake on the daily time frame. Money inflow finally I added in October on Tao on the daily time frame, and the buy line tested on the Zen. So usually after this signal take profit, soon we will see some consolidation and signals to buy on the daily, just on the daily, guys. But it's really important. Take a look. Now we trade around the buy line. So this line, it's a buy line on the day, on a 12 time frame. A daily fundamental value, and most likely we will test this line. It's 64.60 and 62.92. So we can add alerts, take profit, fundamental price line on the daily time frame. Weekly, unfortunately, there is no data yet. 4-hour time frame buy line for ASTER is now 61.97. Fundamental value on 4-hour time frame 46.29. So don't rush, don't click too much, just wait the test of the line, and after that combine all set together with your analysis, and take an action to buy, to open short, to skip the token. Sometimes skip the token is the best option. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about ASTER zones for accumulation. I showed you with the updates. Highly recommend you go and check the first video after listing what I posted about ASTER. Highly recommend you go and check the initiation accumulation pump model, free educational video, and how to work on ASTER trade futures with the leverages, what I posted today. If you'd like to trade with my customer, because I would show it in this video, right? Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.